Okay, we're gonna clean out the grinder on an Olympia Moca. This is gonna be the 2015 model. Put your hopper upside down so you don't break it. And you want to take out these two screws. Should be a 3mm Allen key or hex key. Remove the ring. Okay, now you want to remove the two Allen key screw heads here. 1, 2. Once the screws are out, you can now pull the case up and forward gently. And the top shell removes. Cut that out right there. Now you have access to the burrs. Okay, so now you want to disconnect these two leads here. Just remember where they go. White in the middle, red on the left, or brown wire on the left. Then we have to remove these 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same Allen key as before, or hex key. Should probably use my right hand because I'm a righty. Okay, so then you're just going to lift all of these plates up together. Just set them down. We didn't remove the screws or anything. Now you have access to these 2 screws here to remove the top plate. So before removing those 2 screws, you want to remove the chute. So just unscrew this little screw here. Phillips screwdriver. Don't lose the screw. Then we're going to take the chute off. Then we're going to unscrew the 2 flatheads. We're just going to lift up. Now you have full access to grind the burrs. That's the upper bird. I'll just clean out all the coffee. You can see there's not much buildup on this grinder. This grinder approximately made 600 cups so far. Please visit serenecoffee.com for more information.